So umama nangu sikhulumile naye, you understand? Umama uyazi ukuthi ngomthetho umfazi uyachata ufake emzini, ngiyangizwisisa. So umama ulwa ne boyfriend yakhe, akasamupha ingubo, akasalali naye, omunye ulala ngalo, omunye ulala ngale, then emzini muphi? Emzini la ekutheni ngoka boyfriend. Umuntu nakafuna ukuba nomuntu uyaphuma uye emntwini wakhe, which is something engayenzakali emhlabeni. You understand? So the reason why sibela sikhulume no sesi nangabe ungena ngapha ngena ngendlela right, because you are guys going to kill each other. Oqala, you cannot force ukuhlala nomuntu la khona nicabana khona, because ayikho. Okay, can you show us any legal document that shows ukuthi indawo lengi yakho you own ngani, because it's a boyfriend, you are not a wife. So nangabe mhlambe uchadile, we don't have any problem. Court will decide, because this is a boyfriend and girlfriend. But the land owned by the boyfriend, akunala umfazi angena khona. Unabantwana siyakuvumela lokho. Abantwana ngebakabani kuthi woke girlfriend nayeba nabantwana ine right ukuthi ifikithi ngiyakhela umuzi on kengibela kwami ngoba nginabantwana. Nawe thoma ukuba nomntwana wokuthoma ungakathatha umlando uyise ekhaya, it's a problem number 1. Abazali bakasesi abakwazi khabo boyfriend. Usesi lona ngenzakala something bazokuthubulele ngibani, bazokuthubulele iboyfriend angisho. So abantwana bakhona, they exist. We even intimidated them ukuthi no, let's see ukuthi ubani ayohlala, because of Moses na ikosa move until this matter irresolve. But then the woman qala sithi okay, because unabantwana angeke sikuthathe sikuphosa estradeni, let's find you an alternative place where you can stay. Ngacela ifamily ukuthi ayimtholele room, which musa lokho bamtholele room, but still akafuna ukushift. Nifuna ukuthi kuvele sekuvele isidumbu ukushifta kwakhona sekuvele isidumbu, because uyazi naye ukuthi akasese boyfriend akabasahlali. So what was the use ukuthi bahlale endaweni beyi-2? It's because of ukhona umunye ofuna indlu le, ofuna ukuyina indlu azange azayithenga. Usesina angasinikeza amaphepha athi indlu ngiyami lo ngizakhela kwami la uMoses akaphuma. Moses can just move out of this place. So ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi mhlambe imbokoti ifila ngasuthi uma ucotshiwe ebusuku la ngizokhona ukuthi bathi uma usukile sikhulume naye sathi ma ngcono silale ngoba sebusuku, but thina umthetho wasivumela silale lapho esikhona. Sathi ngcono silale kusasa ekseni ukhona ukuphuma uchifte bakunikeza okhulu, because awuna next, awuna mbhedo, awuna ngubo. But we asked uMoses ukuthi let him give him something azokhona ukuhlala erumini leyo nabantwana bakhe until into yenzeke ngokomthetho. Nangabe uMoses ufuna ukumchata, or the reason why angafuni ukulala naye is because of akamchati, angisho mubuza mtshela ukuthi Moses ngicela ukuthi ungichathe, mawuceda ukungichatha therefore ngizokhona ukuthi ube mfazi wami, but still akafuni lokho. I don't know ukuthi ufuna yiphi. Angazi ukuthi mhlambe nani banabantwana, abantwana bafike bahlale nama boyfriend, naka uboyfriend naka nomuzi ukuthi uthi seka nomuzi mhlambe angazi inkangala nisebenza njalo. Ngicabanga ukuthi that's what she's doing, and like uzibuza ukuthi usesi nakabona ukuthi ube nomntwana okuqala, which is a lesson. Indoda nangaba ikuthatha, you have to fight. Okay ndoda ngicela ungithathe so that ukuthi ngikhona ukuba mfazi wakho ngendlela right. Uba nomntwana is2 jikiji ukuthi indlu yabantwana. How about the first children sanabo, abantwana bokuqala bona ke, because indoda le yahlukumezeka mawungamuzwa ukukhuluma athi ngiyashayiwa ngenza. We don't know the history or whatever, but the main point ukuthi ama calls esiwa receive from our followers bas abanye abahlala khona la bangakhona ukuthi basiveze bathi uyashayiwa le ndoda, and sikhulume naye samnikeza chance atendo umfazi sebenza indoda yakho ngikhona ukuthi zama ukuthi umsqueeze in so that kuthi akhona ukushintsha umqondo, but then she doesn't, akasamfuni akamthandi, but uhlala naye akasamfuni. Then you cannot force her ukuthi solo thina siza la sikhuluma into eyi-1. Usesi bekhaba ngikhulumile nomama wakhe, usisi the best thing ukuthi nje athathe izinto zakhe abuyele ekhaya, or nangaba akafuni iroom, but ukuhlala la sizokubuya siza ukuthi omunye ufile. Thina sifuna ukubuya la bathi kunesidumbu because of sesi ukatelela ukuhlala umuzi uyasebenzela umuzi ukuthi as I'm saying, I was giving you an example about the issue yokuthi girlfriend ngoba girlfriend wafika wahlala khabo boyfriend, kusho ukuthi wena umuzi wakho boyfriend sengwakho uyogcina lapho soba ngumuzi ungakawusebenzeni. So usisi sizela sizomtshela ukuthi namhlanje thina sicela sizamile ukuthi size ela, ngisho nithi simkhiphe ebusuku size elike namhlanje. Uyazi ukuthi best expect ukuthi uza pakizim, but then zwile bathi vele unenkani nawe uyahlala, uthi ukuthi is either kose ahlale lapho khona uMoses afile, uyachifta uyakhamba ukuthi bangicotshe ebusuku people they start to be angry. Baxotsha umntwana nabantu ebusuku, we cannot do that. Sihleli la sathi sabanye mina bengithi sicala ma umkhipha kose kube la umfaka khona, so that ukuthi ekhaba bamthole to an alternative safe place, which nakho lo mumusa uze ngani lokuqala. Let's say uchadile nakachadiweko, that one I think bora bamkhiphela malobolo, i-customary marriage it's recognized, ayikho into emenza ukuthi ahlale la. So I want to know ukuthi okay fine, ke ngizithathe lembokodo anyone ongaba ne-concern mhlambe kukhona into singayazi. Mina ngifisa ukwazi ihlangothi lenu as imbokodo ukuthi okay thina the reason why sila is because of sithukela this and that thina asiyona i-threat. Kokuthoma into siyenza we listen to both parties, simelelisile usisi nas before sokuhamba sahlala naye phasi sabanikeza ithuba ukuthi let's see ukuthi within that 7 days niyokwenza njani, niyohlala kanjani. Ngabe ngamfonela mangimfonela phone ayicishile, ngafonela nomama wakhe umntwaneni kanimfundise kanjani, because uhlala ne-boyfriend but still uzondi boyfriend leyo ahlala nayo. Nithini mkhwenyana wenu, nithini ngaye akamfundi mama ngikhulume naye efonini, what's the best thing because of umntwana angisho okay fine. Nangabe ufuna ukuclaim ukuthi umoshela isikhathi uzayile court athi ngihleli naye isikhathi esigaka mina ngifuna this, uzakutshela icourt. We understand, uzakutshela icourt but then to force ukuthi yena athi mina ngiyahlala, which is wrong. Cala sigcine siseparate into zempama, uphethe isibhamuzi uhlala thuba kose nina nikwazi konke lokho. So now she has to be honest, because ukhambile ebusuku uthi simcala sithi azange simthethe samise roomini. What's wrong with that? Ufuna okay uyawufuna lo muzi, nangabe uyawufuna kahlale phansi na cover Moses athi mina ngifuna lo muzi ngifuna uthela, then bakhipha uMoses wabantu, because soloko siyabuye sisenkangala now and then because thina always must solve inkinga, sifuna ukuthi size one second time echild mara soloko nangibaya sho ukuthi sizame ngendlela ezinenkulu lokho busy yaqhubeka yahlala. Besicela ukuzwe isayitini leni bomama, nibona ukuthi si-abuse amalungelo kamama, nisitshele nangabe siyawa-abuse ukuthi none right ukuthi adime indoda angayinikezi nexa sithi boyfriend indoda kho senze alala nabantwana thina sikhulume nasathi namhlanje mnike something zongavume walile vele wathi mina ngibona ukuthi ngikwate kakhulu. Sawubona mama, ama-camera akekho wena ungakhuluma ivoice. Mama ngikuzwile, qhubeka usibekele isitori sakho, angisho bona ama-camera abheke mina.
Ngikhuluma noma Mhlanga.
Sithokoze Mamhlanga.
Last week Friday Tumelo ufikile kwami. Makafika